Hi, my name is Mandeep. Let me share my bit of technology predictions for the year 2022. Let's start with remote working culture. I think what has happened in the last couple of years is that the world economy has become even more dependent on the internet infrastructure for obvious reasons of enabling work from home at a global scale. So I think the culture of remote work will continue for a while, and technology will continue to be the backbone of enabling that culture. In terms of product development lifecycle, I think DevOps will become more of a norm rather than a game changer as it was in the previous decade. And site reliability engineering will actually enable the distinction between a fast production deployment and a production deployment that is fast as well as reliable from a user experience perspective. And the reason I say this is because with the plenty of options that we have as customers, it is only the reliability and the user experience factor that can make us stick to one provider or vendor. In terms of tools, I think Kubernetes will become the operating system of the production environment, regardless of the fact if the application is cloud native or not. Another aspect that I see is about security, and whether we call it DevSecOps or cybersecurity or zero trust environment, security will actually become part of the product development lifecycle rather than as an afterthought once things are live in production. In terms of cloud, last year we saw some of the biggest outages in the cloud ecosystem. So we may see solutions coming in this year that will allow multi-cloud redundancy, and locking into a single cloud vendor may actually become a risk for business continuity. Now, in terms of machine learning and artificial intelligence, I think everyone will agree that they'll continue to grow exponentially, and they'll enable insights from customers, from applications, and from the entire ecosystem that we operate in, and they might lead us into newer ways of working and living. What we have in terms of Facebook Meta may just be the beginning. And lastly, I think it will be interesting to see how cryptocurrencies evolve in a highly governed and regulated financial sector and gain their way into commercial transactions. And I think that's it from me. Thank you for listening in.